Keep it coming.
Oh.
Keep it coming a little bit more this way. Or was I up on that, Dad?
Yeah, you gotta just go straight. Straight.
Oh, I went straight up it?
Straight. You gotta just make your way around that little jagged rock there, and then come back that way.
Is there a jagged rock? Okay.
Just the one you can see there. Keep it straight. Straight. There you go. Keep it going. Good,
Yeah,
good.
Good.
You're good. You're good. Go. Keep going. You'll be all right.
I hopped up on that, didn't I?
That's fine, but you can go over it. You would have been fine.
Did I have to go straight up?
Yeah.
There you go. All right, turn into it.
Driver.
Driver.
There you go.
Yep.
Straighten it out a little bit.
Straighten it out.
Straighten it out.
Yep.
More?
That's probably good.
Okay.
Yeah, just tiptoe forward. Just nice and slow. Nice and slow.
Straighten it out.
Straighten it out. Straighten it out.
Nice.
Nice job.
Okay.
Woohoo!
That looked good.